Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Citi statement PDFs and transaction exports, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore your Citi statement PDFs and transaction exports, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Citi website URL and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the sign on option at the top right corner. Click on sign on to access your account. Enter your user ID and password in the designated fields. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign On button to log in. Once logged into your account, navigate to the Accounts section from the menu. Select the account for which you want to restore statements. Next, look for the Statements or Documents option within the account details. Click on this option to view available statements and transaction exports. You may see a list of recent statements available for download. To find older statements, check for a drop-down menu or a filter that allows you to select different date ranges. Select the desired date range to locate the specific statement you need. Once you find the statement, click on it to open the PDF. To download the PDF, look for a download icon or a save button. Click on the download option and choose your preferred location on your device to save the file. For transaction exports, find an option labeled Transaction History or Export Transactions. Click on this option to view your Look for a button that enables you to export your transactions. Choose your preferred file format, such as CSV or Excel. After selecting the format, click on the Export button to download the file. Again, select where you want to save the transaction export on your device. Once all downloads are complete, check the saved files to ensure they are accessible. If you encounter issues at any step, consider clearing your browser cache or trying a different browser. For further assistance, you can contact Citi customer support for guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.